First of all, come onto YouTube and go onto a video. Now, first of all, you need to head to the top of your browser and just make sure you haven't gone and muted the site. For example, in Google Chrome, you can right click on a tab and you can have mute site selected, and therefore you aren't going to have any sound from it. So right click and make sure you click unmute if it's been muted. The next thing you can do is come into the video player and come to the bottom left. Make sure you pause it or move your cursor around so you can see the options, and just make sure the video is not muted or that the volume is just very low. You can go and increase it in the bottom left. Now the next thing we want to do is we just want to go and check our actual device. So in Windows, you can adjust your volume by coming to the bottom right and clicking on the volume button. And what you can then do is go and adjust it just here. Of course, you may have already done that, but it's worth checking. Also, if you've got speakers or you use a headset, you may have a dial to go and adjust the volume on those devices separately from your computer, so check for them. And the next thing you want to check is go and click on the search at the bottom and go and type in volume mixer or sound mixer options like so. And you want to scroll down into apps and find the app you're using to try and watch YouTube, for example, Google Chrome, and make sure that it's increased. For example, it may have gone and been muted or just set to 0 or very low. So you can go and increase that and go and see if that then fixes your problem. So I hope this did. If it did, please consider subscribing and liking the video.